I'm Omegar.
And we're Alpher Omegar.
And this is Alpher Omegar's Unboxing Diamond Select Toys Edition!
Ayo! So, welcome back to Loot Corner.
As the man said, today is the Diamond Select Toys.
And so we've got two that are, well, this one's gotten dusty. It's just 10 years old. So, yeah, this is the limited gold edition of the original Enterprise. And this was for the Shibuya, I guess that's how you say that, con back in 2007. And so there were only, I think, 100 of these made? Something like that.
And this is a fairly newly released, Romulan Bird of Prey. Celebrating 50 years.
As long as you have to wait to get these things, it's definitely newly released.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to the Reliant, but I saw on their website the other day that they haven't even gotten final sign-off on it yet. Like they first showed it to us, I think, over a year ago.
Over a year?
Yeah.
That is excessive.
Well, I don't know who approves them, whether that's an internal process or whether they have to get permission from CBS Paramount or, you know, what they do, but
it's a wonder.
Someone needs to do it.
Do it now!
So this will be back from the original way they did it, you know, without the LEDs, I presume. So I doubt there's any continuous light and sound on this one. We'll have to see. It's long since dead as far as the power goes.
This one does still work, of course.
Yes, Commander will follow. He must. When he attacks, we will destroy him.
Destroy
Of course, that's
him.
Mark Leonard, otherwise known as Sarek. He was the Romulan commander for Balance of Terror, which is where this ship is from.
So oddly, they use two different types of twisty ties on this one. They've got the thicker, like
Metal
ones
one.
for the actual on the nacelles, but then they've got a smaller, I guess, also metal infused in a black one holding the base in. A little strange.
So this also has the glued in like support for this ship, so once we actually take this ship out, it won't be able to properly go back in its box, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is.
It actually only has 3 total. Oh,
Mine
only
only
had one?
had two.
Oh, 2.
Two. One on the, well, one on the secondary hull and one on the little neck spine thing there. So the finish on this is really nice. So when I first saw Gold Edition, I was like, who would want a Gold Edition? But then I saw a closer set of pics for it, and it is really a nice ship overall. I like it a lot. So, as you can see, it's molded in there and glued, you know, the molded plastic that this would sit on is in there, and it needs to be lifted up. Oh, there you go. It needs to be ripped out in order to get to the base. It's at least the base I like. What's the base system on this? I hope it's not that shit one. You can't actually put...
Nope, it appears to be the peg.
Excellent.
Going back to the peg.
Well, you know, here's the current chief engineer of Enterprise.
Not Simon. Oh, man. So, yeah. Pretty cool. Quick view of it here. Got the bird, of course, across the bottom. Pretty cool, like, all kinds of lights on this bad boy. We've even got some across the forward of the, I guess you can't really call it a saucer section, but
I do like that sound.
it's in play mode, clearly.
You mean test?
Or test mode, yeah. Whatever. Same diff. Not really. Set that down here for now.
So I got this out of Japan. Some great little seller. I'll go ahead and put his name in the hello in the description down below in case you want to buy something off of him. Very reasonable, good guy.
So this is the first base of this type that we've actually gotten.
Oh, yes. That's the original series emblem. You might have noticed in Next Generation, they've got that. Calm down, kitties.
Calm down, kitties.
Well, they've got that. The actual raptor with the two holding the two orbs as the Romulan symbol. Representing Romulus and Remus. Well, they didn't have that in the original.
Oh. I didn't notice even the back of the nacelles light up there.
Oh yeah.
And then.
Oh, there's a third one. What are you looking for?
Oh.
It's right there.
Blind as a bat.
Three the AAA batteries. This requires.
This one actually has 3 settings. There's try, there's off in this play. Why would you ever want to turn it off?
I guess conserve battery power. We use rechargeables, so it doesn't much matter.
Doesn't much matter.
This one also has try me, off, and play. That's interesting.
Alright. I wonder if this has continuous lights. I don't know if we tested that.
I don't think you could test it in try. Nice.
So it has continuous lights and sound. Then continuous lights. Then off. Huh. You still in try?
I am. Building up to warp speed. Yeah, we got that one. Do like the
pulsing of the nacelles?
Pulsing of the facade collectors.
Yeah.
Photon torpedoes.
Full volley.
And now phasers. Oh man, they're getting into it. Let's see if it's going. Oh,
continuous
lights.
Here we go.
And the finish on this, the fit and finish is really quite good. I don't know whether they spent extra time on these, limited edition gold ones, but
yeah, the nacelles don't appear to be splitting in any
way. No, and there's no
paint is nice and shiny.
No, glue gunk anywhere.
I'm
really quite pleased with this.
Oh, and it's got a light on the bottom of this also. That's pretty cool.
Well, the other ones do too, but
go ahead and run through these.
Activate our cloak.
Ooh.
Divert all power to weapons. I find myself wishing for destruction before we can return. Commander is not one to repeat a mistake.
That's true.
Continue evasive maneuvers. Yes, Commander will follow. We must. Among the attacks, we will destroy them. Escape maneuver 1, quickly!
Quickly! I don't know what that was.
Evasive action.
I think that was the ship getting messed up.
They like their torpedoes.
Let's study the enemy. Yes. Dear Commander, that is what I would do.
Are you sure that... So this one seems to have repeated the torpedo one, twice in the whole mix. Are you sure you were done with your...
It's good we approach the neutral zone.
Good lord.
Not entirely.
Fully obscured. Turn suddenly back upon attack. But on my order.
Guess not.
There's a lot in this one. One right back at you.
Perhaps we can yet save your
You know how this turns out, right?
Oh, that's cool.
That was good.
Lights.
Your carelessness might have ended this glorious mission. I regret that we meet this way. You and I are of a kind and different reality. I could have called a friend.
See, I would have liked to have met this Romulan commander in like the mirror universe. I think that would have been awfully nifty.
We are creatures of duty, Captain. I have lived my life by it. Just
So this was
duty to perform.
There's a lot.
yeah, so this was done for the 40th anniversary. We just passed 2016 was the 50th anniversary. So this, like I said, this was done for the 40th anniversary, and so they did do a gold edition of, I don't know whether it was Enterprise A or the just the refit Enterprise. You know, they look practically identical. So I'm not sure which one it was, but they did that. We haven't opened that yet. You know, stay tuned. But no, this one's pretty nifty. The base on it, I can tell you have to get it in exactly the right spot in order for it to stay. Otherwise, it's but no, I'm quite pleased.
It seems to be sitting pretty steadily on its
Yeah, this one seems quite.
Just a little wobble in the
Yeah, down there. No, see, mine is loose here.
Mm.
So that if I move it around too much, it'll.
There may be like 15 more phrases to go through, but you know.
Now, did you
could be
get?
here all day.
Did yours come with a separate, door?
It actually did not. So
Okay.
it doesn't plug into the door. Oh, it does plug into the door itself, actually. Well, that's weird. But yeah, I don't know.
So this one, of course, comes with the one that where it doesn't have the peg hole, so you could, just go ahead and hang it up, and you wouldn't see an errant hole.
Yeah, they didn't include one with
No,
this one. I guess they just figured.
Some they do, some they don't. I think they more often used to than they do now, but we'll have to recycle these. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased. Are you quite pleased?
I am quite pleased. See the backlights there?
I do.
Go ahead and turn that around so because people didn't get a good look at that.
I also like the lights along the saucer look really good. And these cycle as well from orange to yellow to red.
Yeah, they sure do. Get the sound off. See the lights. Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah. I like these ships.
Yes, very much.
There's just not really space to store all of them.
They are rather large. If you don't have room for them, it can be problematic, but we'll find a way.
Yeah, we'll find places for them all.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, if you're interested in these ships at all, we definitely recommend picking them up.
Oh yeah, whenever you
Yeah.
see them, grab them.
They're very cool.
Of course, you're not going to find this one very often. I've only seen two. I got two. And we're planning on actually giving one of these away once we get up to a certain number of subscribers to one of our subscribers. But we're not there yet. We
Not
still don't
there
even
yet.
have our YouTube name for 100 subscribers.
No, we're
we
trying
need
to
that
get to
first.
100.
So
Please subscribe. You
Please
help us
do.
out. Doing us a
Yeah.
favour. We appreciate you.
we do. We appreciate
Yeah.
it very much. So, but anyway, until next time, that's this time.
For Alpher, I'm Omegar.
Hey, yo!